Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you get up a lot at night or if you need a really good night light, you need to check out these awesome motion sensor lights from VST Lighting. This is a 6-pack of these small 2.5 or so inch lights that you can really place anywhere. What I really like about them is you don't have to hardwire or screw them into the wall. It comes with a magnetic back and they're completely rechargeable, and of course they enclose the cords. What I really like about these is that it has 4 modes of lighting and you can adjust the brightness as well. My favorite mode of the lighting is the 30-second timer light. So as soon as it senses that you're coming around, the light will come on for 30 seconds, so you don't have to worry about draining the battery too fast. And the motion sensor works really good because even my cat triggers the light. The lights are awesome when it's nighttime. I tend to get up a lot and walk around, and they're super bright and really allow me to feel like I'm not going to fall and that I can safely move about in my home. I installed these for one in our hallway that I use to come home where it's super dark, there are no windows, and also on the stairway that goes right upstairs of my home. So during the day, the lights won't come on. You don't have to waste the batteries. They come on only if it's a really dim day or if it's at night. They're really bright, easy to install, and they're super tiny so that it makes them easy to place them anywhere, and they're not an eyesore either. But that's just my point of view.